डिक्टेशन शुरू होता है अब। इट इज़ वेलकम दैट द स्मार्ट सिटी प्रोजेक्ट इज़ progressing with the announcement of 20 urban centers that will start receiving central grants to develop along the desired lines of inclusion, functionality, security, energy efficiency, and connectivity. As India urbanizes at an accelerating pace, it is vital to create habitats that allows people to be productive. The urban renewal mission that began under the UPA government has received a boost as the Smart City program of the present government. However, one feature that has been neglected by and large in the thinking on urban smartness is governance. Towns need elected local governments with clearly delegated administrative powers and responsibilities backed with the financial means to discharge them, not authorities run by civil servants reporting to the state government as has been the norm of late over the next couple of decades. If India is to become half urban, urbanization in southern states is already 40% plus. That will mean an addition of 25 crore pupil to the population. of towns. They cannot possibly be accommodated in existing towns. However, smart and redeveloped these are. India needs to build new towns occupying anything up to 20,000 square kilometer, depending on how densely the towns are populated, and new towns offer the maximum scope for development of new town planning concepts, efficient public transport, and a mixture of housing for different income groups that still awards sound connectivity by road, air, and telecom. More policy resources have to be devoted to new urbanization. Andhra Pradesh Chief Minister Chandrababu Naidu is building a new capital for his state using some novel methods of land procurement and financing. This experience must be documented at every stage, and all evidence made available to researchers to generate policy lessons. UN Habitat carries out useful studies of the ongoing urbanization experience around the world and makes recommendations worth following. India does need fresh thinking on urbanization, no doubt, but that does not mean we have to reinvent the wheel. Towns need elected local governments with clearly delegated administrative powers and responsibilities, backed with the financial means to discharge them, not authorities run by civil servants reporting to the state government as has been the norm of late over the next couple of decades. If India is to become half urban, urbanization in southern states is already 40% plus. That will never mean an addiction of 25 crore people to the population of towns. Full stop.